Hello, Colin here from Radish Drieschta. It's been a long time since I've done a video in English, but I've decided once a month, roughly, I'll be doing one in English, just like as a catch up, what's happened so far. Because obviously most of the people around us being in Switzerland want it to be in Swiss German, but I want you, my friends and family from the rest of the world, to be able to be part of our journey as well. That's why this one's for you in English, and don't worry, subscribe, there will always be a video for you once a month at least, right? So today I'm going to show you our removal. I'm going to be showing you what we've done so far, and I'll be showing you a bit around the land and what we've got planned for future, alright? So let's get moving.
Our street's a Radish Neighborhood. We planted every seed we could, so it would let us turn up all the beats. We sent our roots deep underground, and new ideas bloomed all around. We're all digging, living on our street. 'Cause there's goats and chickens, bees and birds, and fruit growing on the trees. We're not perfect, but we do have everything we need. Milk and honey, vegetables, so many tasty treats. It's all right here, growing on our street.
You can see here, that's the main hiking path that goes all the way through our land. Right? And at the moment, the old garden shed is there.
We started off by baking bread and turned out baking bricks instead. The chickens reckon we're out of control. Fixed up old and rusty bikes, now we cycle where we like. Getting by for free is how we roll. With the goats and chickens, bees and birds, and fruit grown on the trees. We're not perfect, but we do have everything we need. Milk and honey, vegetables, so many tasty treats. It's all right here, growing on our street.
Where the garden house stood, here at the back, you can see there's some old stairs in there, which obviously need repairing and cleaning out because there's a lot of dirt on top. But those stairs lead all the way up to vegetable patch number 1, where I'm thinking citrus, maybe with a greenhouse over them for winter. And what I'm making is a terrace. And here, with this earth that I want to dig out here, I'll then put a bar up for the hikers who can have a stop by and have a drink of syrup or wine or beer, whatever they want, fancy, they can drink there, and maybe sit down here on the terrace. Here's a perfect example of what I've been doing with my cuttings. See that wall there, that new bed? I filled that with example cuttings from the window. See the window where I've cut it free? Well, that's just landed more or less down there. It's now composting nicely with other old wood in a newly built bed, a raised bed, to fill out the corner next to the stairs that I've repaired. Yeah. Oh,
Our garden's now immense, 'cause we pulled down the fence. Well, that might sound intense, but we're friends with common sense. Yeah, 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 yeah. And chickens, bees and birds, and fruit grown on the trees. We're not perfect, but we do have everything we need. Milk and honey, vegetables, so many tasty treats. It's all right here.
I've got to be honest, I've not done much planting, but I have planted some things like here, this row of pumpkins where the garden house used to stand. Or in front of Pura Vida, just right next to the entrance door of Pura Vida, which we've cleaned, we've cut up the windows, freed out the windows a bit.
Growing on our street, yeah, with us goats and chickens, bees and birds and fruit grown on the trees. We're not perfect, but we do have everything we need. Milk and honey, vegetables, so many tasty treats. It's all right here, growing on our street. Well, there's so much goodness growing on our street.
And at the moment, we're using it as a storage room. Hey, you gotta use everything as it comes.
Oh, so come on and let's all grow it on our street.
Water is obviously a big topic, and these past couple of months I've had a lot to do with water. I mean, normally
There's one thing everyone needs, and I'm sure that you will all agree that in the end it comes down to energy. If you got some, put some effort in now, 'cause whatever it is won't be hanging around. Gotta put it in a bottle and store it any way you can. Yeah, catch and store energy every day, any way that you can with care. Yeah, catch and store energy every day, any way that you can while it's there.
this hill behind me and this hill in front of me, this is going to be my water hill. I'm going to have a water park down here. Here where I'm standing in catchment, this is going to be a small pond which will then go down to the next pond, which will then go down to the third pond, and the third pond will be a swimming pond. But that's just one of the reasons why you need to subscribe to this channel, because one day we'll go swimming together in that pond, but you need to know when it's ready. So yeah, subscribe and always keep in touch. Keep in touch, that would be nice. Or keep following, and then you know where we're at. Well, water park. I've got a stream going all the way down here, so when we have strong rains, from the main stream behind me, which goes down besides me down here, and it goes down all year round. I'll show you that. I've made a diversion and a small stream that trickles. When the strong water, it finds its way all the way down here to this little encatchment that I've made. But obviously now it's not, it's dry because it's sunny. But I'm sure if I go back up there now and clean the pathway down, I could get some water down here. It's probably just stuck because it's not cleaned its way properly and it's not strong enough at the moment. So watch this space, because
if the sun is shining down its rays, then get outside and make some hay, 'cause you might.
And that's why I love waterworks. I mean, it's only 2 days since I dug this and I've already got success.
Just only have today to do it. And when there's more, don't keep it all yourself. Give some to a friend with room on their shelf, 'cause the best way to generate energy is to keep it moving.
Happily say that the stream has established itself. Pretty nice, eh? but it wouldn't surprise me if this is not the first time that a river or a stream has gone down this path. I'm sure I'm not creating anything new, just renewing.
Yeah, catch and store energy every day, any way that you can with care. Yeah, catch and store energy every day, any way that you can while it's there.
Right, to be honest, I'm not being quite honest. I do know that this water pathway has been here before, because look, there is actually a doorway that goes to it. So yeah, nothing new, just renewal. And see there, that's one of my sprinklers. That's how I feed the sprinkler. And up there in the forest you can't see, there's another one. Again, feed the sprinklers.
Every day, any way that you can for later on. Yeah, catch and store energy every day, any way that you can before it's gone.
And I've got to be really honest when I say doing the waterworks, that seems to be my passion. I'm really enjoying watching water do its, helping water find its way. And yeah, isn't water important? Water is actually a human right.
Well, now I'm young, but it won't be long before
It does make me strongly
this
believe
energy will be
that
gone.
there's been life up in here in Drieschta for thousands of years. I reckon this place, I'm just servant number 331. Who knows?
So I'd better find a way to pass it on.
Yeah.
When you're
Pissed off
coming
flag.
inside at the end of
And we
the
chose to
season.
hiss a white flag. For us, the white flag is peace, a sign of peace. Here, we have no war. Here, everyone is welcome. Everyone, if they come in peace.
Of all your surplus and save all your seeds and reserve as much as you can for later on.
Yes,
Catch and store